What is up, damn fam? It's your boy Gucci Mags back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, but who cares? I've just been in North America, all of North America this last month. I've been in Mexico, I've been in Connecticut, New York, Rhode Island, and Canada. But who cares? We're just here to build a PC. So let's just get straight into it. We got the Masterbox Lite 5 RGB for the case. We got, what do we got over here? We got 1 terabyte of storage. We got 128 gigabytes in the, whatchamacall this? The SSD. What is this? We got some LED lights. It's gonna look raw. We got the Ballistix Sport RAM DDR4. We got EVGA 550 B3, so it's a bronze. Power supply, MSI Tomahawk, motherboard. What else do we have? We have a 1070 Ti graphics card. This is half of the price of the flippin' PC. We got the HyperX Fury S extended gaming mouse. What is it called? Mouse pad. We got another. If you've seen my last videos, we unboxed this monitor, but we got another one just because we got money for it. What else? Ryzen 5 processor. And these are actually going to be a separate video, but we got it along. We got the Logitech G502 gaming mouse, and we got the Logitech G513 keyboard. It's lit, dude. Alright, so this is probably going to be a time-lapse video, so we're just going to get straight into it.